Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check your subscriptions on Facebook. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch single mistake. I am on my iPhone. You can follow the exact same steps if you are on an Android or a computer as well. So first of all, open up the Facebook application, and once you're on this page you'll have to tap on three lines on the bottom right to head over to the menu, and then scroll down a bit and tap on settings and privacy. Now it will pop up with several options like settings, link history, device requests, recent and add activity, and orders and payments. Now you'll have to tap on orders and payments. Now once you will tap on it, a new page will appear in front of you. Now all you will have to do is to tap on subscriptions, that is the second option, and right here it will show you all your subscriptions on Facebook. In my case, I don't have any subscriptions on Facebook, so you'll be able to find your subscriptions on this page. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about